Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Bulfyss lint remover. This is a 3-watt lint remover. This comes with a 1200 mAh battery and 90 degrees rotating handle. It also has a usage time of 45 minutes. So yeah, all same information this side as well. This is basically, oh no, so we have some more information. This is basically a lint remover. So the idea is that sometimes lint gathers on the surface of cloth. So primarily on the surface of cloth and any surface that has fur on it. So this will help you remove those lints. Some more information here. It says honeycomb mesh fit the clothes. Honeycomb mesh fit the clothes and effectively remove the hairballs. Large capacity container, one touch switch for easy using. USB charging cable. It is made out of ABS and stainless steel blade. 1200 mAh NIMH battery, charging time 8 hours, usage time 45 minutes. And yeah, that's more or less it. Weighs around 280 grams. That's pretty light. Charging cable and cleaning brush is also included. So let's take a look at each of these things. So there you go, these are the components of the box. This is the instructional manual for the lint remover. The model number is YSLR81. This has a lot of information, how to use the appliance, what are the specifications, warranty conditions as well. So important document, you should keep it safe. So there you go, this is what you'll find inside the box. This is a micro USB charging cable for this particular lint remover. This is the cleaning brush, you can see. And let's see what this is. These are some stainless steel blades for some, for when you want to remove very stubborn lint from your fabric. And this is the lint remover in question. This is the YSLR81. This comes with a 90 degree rotating handle, as you can see right now. It has a matte gray finish to it. This handle is also pretty ergonomic, by the way. Okay, it's working right now. Let me show you the front bit. So this is the main bit. All right, it has to come off from somewhere, and there you go. Yeah. So this is your main bit. Let's see if we can open this. I'll show you the motor inside. This is basically the 3-watt motor that drives this particular lint remover. Okay, it does not work when this is removed, so that's a good thing because otherwise it will be very unsafe. And as you can see, we have an extra pair of stainless steel blades for which will basically perform this particular function. Let's see, let's try working this again. Okay, it presses down, that's when it starts working. And there you go. You can see it's working right now. It's also blowing out a little bit of air. This is one speed setting. This is the second speed setting. And that's it. There are only 2 speed settings for this particular one. But the good thing is you can hold it like this and then, remove lint as and where you see fit. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Bulfyss lint remover. The model number is YSLR81. Thank you for watching.